Hello everyone and welcome to Vegan with Soul. This video was not even planned. My son came over and said, "Mom, what do you have to eat?" And I said, "Well, let's cook." Threw some pasta in the water with a little olive oil and salt so it wouldn't stick together. And I said, he's doing all the work. So he's chopping the lemon peel for me. He's chopping some kale and he's going to chop some tomatoes. With the lemon peel, it was about 2 tablespoons. We use half of that because that is going to be for 2 recipes. So in here is a half a cup of water, but it's equal parts water and vegetable broth. I just wanted to tenderize the kale a little bit and just give the tomatoes just a little bit of color as it cooked down. And in here is white beans, cannelloni beans. That's right, white sauce. This is a test kitchen too, guys. I'm doing everything today. Wasn't planning on it, but why not? So in there is some thyme, pepper, salt, and that's a 1.5 cups of vegetable broth and a tablespoon of olive oil. And we're gonna blend this together. I just love a NutriBullet. And we're also gonna add a cup of almond cheese. There's my husband. He's, pouring in the pasta for me. Guys, I did no labor at all. I just gave instructions. They're so awesome. Look how pretty that is. The green, the red, the color of the noodles, the texture that you're gonna get, the contrast of all the colors. I just want to eat it like that. To be honest, I could do that. So we're gonna pour in our white sauce. We're gonna toss it all together. And then we're gonna plate it up, put it in this nice little bowl, and we're going to see what my son Derrick has to say after he did all the work. Let's watch this. So what do you think, son? Is it delicious? Ooh. Should I make a lasagna out of the sauce?
Yeah.
Think so? Mm-hmm. Right. So there you have it. My son Derrick loves the white sauce I just created today. So we're getting ready to have dinner, guys. Thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul. You gonna say bye?